What is going on, everybody? I am Stock Sniper Mike, and today we're going to teach you how we were able to make just about 15% in $1,300 in the span of 3 minutes. All right, so today we're going to be going over how we were able to take advantage of a listed first green day red to green momentum shift that the snipers have been taking advantage of the past couple of months. The market's been downtrending and we've had a lot of stocks getting beat up. But when they finally create that momentum shift, that first green day, that's when we like to go at it. And that's how we were able to take advantage of MCOM this week. It was awesome because it started early on the week on Money Monday, and it came right from our weekly Watchers watch list. If you guys don't know, we have a full community of traders on our website, thestocksnipers.com, as well as our app on the Apple Store and Google Play under Stock Snipers, and we actually create a weekly Watchers watch list every Monday morning before the market starts with stocks we're eyeing down to buy in the upcoming week, and MCOM was right on the top of it. So we are eyeing down MCOM actually since last week to make that reversal move, and it finally happened here on Money Monday. So let's dive in and let's show you our weekly Watchers watch list just so you can see exactly what we were looking at. And there it is, the first listed stock on there. So that's how you know it was our number one listed stock we are eyeing down. And look at number 2, Bed Bath & Beyond, which actually went to 32 cents literally that day as well. So 2 for 2 right there on that list. But let's go over MCOM. For those of you guys that don't know what MCOM is, you might not know it because they're a fairly new ticker. They used to be called Hellbiz. HLBZ was their old ticker. They were called Hellbiz, but they're an EV scooter company. So I don't know if the Hellbiz name matched the company. So they changed their ticker to MCOM, and the name is now called Micro Mobility. Pretty cool stuff about this company and the scooter EV company is the snipers actually travel down to Miami every once in a while, not too far away here from Fort Lauderdale. They actually have their EV scooters for rent, the Hellbiz scooters. So here they are right here. Here's me riding around in one of the scooters down in downtown Miami. Pretty cool stuff that we were able to try out one of these products. But that's enough talking about the product here. Let's get into the trade and let's talk about how we were able to tag a bag. Before we start, I just want to say one more thing. Do not fall for a stock's price. If a stock's at $4, don't just think it's a great stock because it's another stock's at 20 cents. That has nothing to do with anything. Because this stock, Hellbiz, when it was HLBZ, was a penny stock all the way down to 11 cents. And about 9 days ago, it created a reverse split. So we got a reverse split, and the stock went all the way up to the 430s. So a stock that was an 11-cent stock is now in the 430s, and it continues to drop ever since coming out with that reverse split. So we have 10 straight days after a reverse split of downward days, really only one slight green movement day, but no big move to take advantage of. So now we're looking for that big move. What we're looking for when we're trying to play one of these red to green moves is we want to see a stock come down to a key level, which 150 is a key spot in a stock like this. We also want to see it have a nice tight range in the morning, and this stock created a range between 152 and 154. And then we want to see it make that red to green move, and we want to see it break high a day. And when it breaks high a day, the idea is you try to get as close to that breakout as possible, and you want to either use red to green as a cut, or you just use that low a day, which would be 152 here as a cut. We felt comfortable with 152, and that's why we felt great with grabbing the bag at 155. So right as MCOM starts to spike, we actually got in it at 155, and we were actually able to film it on our phone. So we actually have some live trading to show you guys so we can go over it together. All right, so here we are. This is as we actually are just getting in, and it pretty much just made that first minute spike. Now, why you have to be quick with these red to green moves is because they are called momentum shift moves. And what that means is we are finally joining the momentum shift back up after a stock's been going down for so long. So the stock has been going down for so long, now making the momentum shift back up and breaking back above that 155 area, and that's when we got the spike all the way to 181, and it happens in 2 minutes. So if you get a spike about 10%, with this case 15% in 2 minutes, you should start thinking about taken the bag. We always say 15% is a great way to grow your account, especially if you have a small account. Continue to grow that small account by finding 15% winners out there, and that's exactly what we found in the span of 2 minutes. So we don't want to be greedy. One of the most important things in this game is sticking to the plan and not letting your emotions get ahead of yourself. So we just decided if this thing's going to come back below 175, we're going to move our cut up as the stock continues to spike up, and we decided to grab that bag as it came down to 175. So that is it. We got the red to green momentum shift break of 155, and off to the races this stock went. Not every time a stock breaks out like this when it goes red to green, but a lot of the times it does happen just in a longer span of time. So that is how we were able to take advantage of this red to green move. It did eventually come all the way back down to 155 later on in the day. So it just shows you, like we were saying, a momentum shift move is you want to be in it while the momentum is shifting and while it is still going up. When it does shift back down, the stock can go back to crumbles, and all these stocks we usually play are shit. So you don't want to be holding on to them for the downtrend. Just take advantage of the way back up. No need to hold and hope. Grab the bag when you have it and move on to the next. And that's what we were able to do here in MCOM. And what's great about it is, like I said, it came right from the weekly watchers watch list, and we were able to alert it right from our sniper chat room. Congratulations to all the snipers that were able to take advantage of MCOM with us. And hopefully if you did not grab that one, you can actually be prepared for this next red to green move, because they happen almost every day. If you guys want to check out the team, we'd love to have you on the team. Check us out at thestocksnipers.com or on the App Store or Google Play under Stock Snipers. We'll see you back here for another trade review another day. Let's keep tagging bags. Peace.